I think you said it, man. We got it done defensively. We knew offensively it's a work in progress, and it will be. Like our athletes this year, we got a bunch of youngsters. Jarrell Phillips comes in and helps us offensively, and Vigil had a nice offensive game. Jacob McNeely tried to do a little bit too much, and he's our only senior. We have two seniors, so we're finding ourselves. It's going to take some time, but we've really dedicated ourselves defensively to the defensive end of the court, and I thought we saw that tonight. Well, Kobe had a 24 last night. They got some shooters. They got a bunch of experienced kids that I know there's some young kids on that team, but this is an established program. Alvin is always in the hunt for a state championship, and he's won several district championships. So these kids know how to win, and so anytime, whether it's a first game of the year or whenever it is, coming into Sandia and playing well is big for anybody, and so we'll definitely take this. I am. I mean, we're happy with it. I thought we played hard. Honestly, I think we played harder than I expected us to, just because it's something that we've been on them every day in practice. And so we can't be gamers. We got to be kids we got to be a program that can do it every day. We can't just wait for the game to really execute with our effort. And so we're going to work on that, keep pushing them hard in practice, and hopefully we can keep getting better.